Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to use widgets on iPhone. So what is widgets? What is it? So widgets are a way to view current information at a glance. So first of all, go ahead to your app store, Google Play, and then type widgets right here if you want to create your own widgets by going to search for widgets Smith, okay? And by downloading it, you're going to be able to customize your home screen and craft your aesthetics, and then showcase your photos and choose your theme and over across your iPhone. And you can do that basically with unlimited photos in your mind. But widgets are a way to view current information at a glance. Today it's headlines, weather, reminders, battery levels, and more. Okay, so as you can see right here, this is a widget, right? As you can see, that's been created by me. I added that picture to that widget, and basically you can view widgets in Today View and add them to your home screen by going right here and hold to your screen, and then click the plus button at the top left, and now you can add your clock to see what time it is. You can add your Spotify to listen to songs if you want, your notes for your daily tasks and all that, and you're gonna be able to look at the newest trending videos and basically content on your iPhone, and you're gonna be able to see the newest emails and all that. So widgets is widgets are a jack of all trades, basically, right? You can also interact with a widget on a home screen or a lock screen without opening its app. You can take action on the widgets for music, podcast, Safari, and all that, as we said before. So let's say, for example, I want to go to that drive, right? And I want to see my newest, I want to basically add that drive right here. So I'm gonna just add the shape or the template of that widget right here, and then I'm gonna click add. And as you can see right here, I can reach out to the app without needing to do much effort right here to search, for example, right? And I can just go ahead and open up the video right here to see the newest videos, and that includes Safari as well. If you hold your screen again, you're gonna see the shaken side and just or the shaken apps. Click the plus button at the top left, and you're gonna be able right here to see even your trading trading situation right now. And basically you could just go ahead and add, let's say for example, Safari. I'm gonna search for Safari, and then I'm gonna be able to see the reading list, and I'm gonna be able to see all the things that I saved on my Safari. So it's a jack of all trades. It's a jack of all trades, and you can use it on your iPhone. So as we said before, if after you downloaded your widget Smith, what you're gonna do, you could just go ahead and start looking for let me go to the App Store, Google Play. Okay, let me open up the widget Smith. Now if you wanted to add small widgets, medium or large widgets, you're gonna be able to actually do that, right? By adding, let's say for example, a small widgets right here by clicking add small widget, right? And then go ahead right here and select theme, right? If you want to add a theme or photo from your choice, or filter in that case. And I'm gonna just go ahead and click from my photos right here, and I'm gonna choose photos. And let's have an example, I want to add this photo, so I'm gonna add this photo. And basically what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna isolate people if there is a people in that photo, and then I'm gonna just hit save right here at the top. And basically if I wanted to add it as a widget, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go back to my screen, hold my screen right here, or hold the iPhone screen, and you're gonna see the shaken apps. Click the plus button at the top left, and then scroll a little bit down, and you're gonna be able to find the widget Smith right here. Click on it, and if it was a small widget, just go ahead and add the small widget, and you're gonna be able eventually to see the photo of your choice, right? So I'm gonna just go back to the widget Smith right here. Okay, I'm gonna get back to it, and I'm gonna just go ahead and add that widget to that sample number 3. So I'm gonna just let's say for example, I'm gonna delete that widget. I'm gonna add to that widget number 3. I'm gonna choose photo again, and then add the photo, hit save, and you're gonna be able right here to see This is for my home screen. I'm gonna go back to my screen, and then you're gonna be able right here to see the results right here appearing in front of you. So let me know in the comments of this video. Hope to. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.